Hello everyone, and welcome back to Monkey Theater. Today we're going to be watching... Guess what? I'll let you guess what we're watching and then we'll watch it. Now we're going to be watching a video on a damn stapler. It's an electric stapler. A what? Electric? Oh. It's an electric stapler. Well, never mind. I thought it was one of those you had to stomp on and push and hit. Then when the staple don't come out, you get mad and throw it against the wall. Yeah, so stay tuned. This thing uses batteries, electricity, other means of energy, nuclear power maybe. So sit back and enjoy the stapler. And if you got anything to staple, shove it up in there, staple it together, and then you're ready to rumble. You're all ready to go. Everybody needs a stapler from time to time. So, here's the joke. You are... Gosh. Take two. Get it right. You're a redneck if your idea of taking out the trash means taking your in-laws to dinner. Yeah, you heard me. Get it? Take your in-laws to dinner because they're trash. Taking out the trash. Woo! What's I like jokes like that, but they're funny. They're good. So sit back and I'm out of here. Watch that stapler and enjoy it. If you want one, gather up some cash and go get one, baby. So long. On the Klaus, here comes that title. The Klaus Restoration and Crafts and Review channel. Can that thing get any longer? So goodbye. See you guys later. Woo! Today we're going to do a review on an electric office stapler, the RS-9081. That's the model number, because they make different models of these staplers. These staplers are good because you don't have to press anything on them. They work on their own. Here's the plug. Let's undo this. It'll take a second. Take out the stapler, user manual, and the index. Here's the stapler itself. It's got a nice weight to it. Nice battery compartment if you want to run it on batteries and not the electrics. It uses 4 AA batteries. Should last a while because this is just a stapler, but I don't have 4 AA batteries. I think I'll get some that we won't have to use this cord. Hook it up, and what you do now
put them on a piece of paper
is you put staplers in it. Staples in it.
Where's your staples?
over here.
Give in there.
Here's this one.
Can't use that. Here is the staple compartment. It's already got staples in it. Again, I'll show you.
I got 3 staples already.
You press the back like that, and the staple compartment opens, and it has staples in it already. so I don't have to go get any, which
Sure,
is
what kind
good.
of staples?
The staples in this is just a standard office staple. So just a standard office staple. I think it's the standard staple size for this. I forgot the number of this staple, but it's just a normal staple.
And there's big and small.
Standard size. You could get them. See, it fits under here. The standard size, just an office staple.
No.
Close it back, and then we'll get some paper. Stick it under here.
Ah, like that.
And it
You put in
staples.
the hole.
Let me cry.
So you put the staple, put it in there.
Like this.
Ah, that's
Automatic
good.
stapler. See.
Say it one more time.
Automatic stapler.
That's cool. Faster and
And now you don't have to press staples, but you do have to tape where it goes. See, you put it here, so you won't staple. You got to put it all the way back.
I have to really push back.
So your staple is going to come out with a ridge line right
Let
here.
me cry.
So that's it.
It's better you hook up the one in the electricity rather than a battery.
Yeah, electricity is always going to be a lot better than a battery, but see, if you wait too long, you got to do it again.
Wow, I like that one.
That's it. We're wasting staples.
It's a free one anyway.
Where's
Waste
that
it.
going?
It's a free one anyway, so waste it.
So there.
Did you like it?
That is a demonstration of the RS-9081 automatic stapler. Battery powered or electric. Any way you want to use it. These are really good to have, inexpensive, and also fun to use. So
Kids friendly too.
yeah, kid friendly. There's no way you're gonna get your finger in here
Yeah,
if you're a
that's that.
kid.
Your kid can use it.
So I recommend this
1 year
stapler.
old up.
I recommend this stapler. It's got some weight to it. It's good. It's not
Daddy,
a cheap
try
camera,
this.
but it's not really expensive either. It's nice. So I recommend it.
Ah, she's having fun.
Don't jerk it. Wait till it's
Wait,
finished.
wait.
Don't jerk it. Wait till it's finished. See, you're jerking it too soon. You're going to cause problems. You leave it under there till it's done. See, like that. See, it stop on its own. You pull it out.
Yes, like that.
Yeah, you don't jerk it out. You wait till it's done.
This.
See, put
Yeah, stick it in there.
stick it in. Good. Got it.
Chicken. One little noise, she starts jerking. Anyway, it brought too much paper. But here's a stack of paper,
We'll see how thick can get. How thick.
including this one. It's good.
And a thick paper.
Well, I'm not going to stick something in there too thick and mess
I mean,
it
that's
up.
thick enough,
Yeah,
but
I know
still
it's
win.
kinda thick.
Oh, that's good.
It's also for big paper.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, you
it's
can.
for everything. And that's the review.
No, video ka naman sa because you want to try every time.
This is the last one. Hurry.
Don't pull it lagi. Wait. Okay, that's good.
Wait.
All right.
Alright.
One more.
Good job.
So-
Okay.
As I was saying, I recommend this stapler. It's got a nice weight to it. The body is good. It's good thick plastic. Got a really good ejection system for the staples. Got a sensor to let it know that you touch in the back. Let it know the paper's in there. Really nice, good quality, good buy. Battery operated or electric.
Good
So
stuff.
if you want one, I recommend this one. And remember, the model number is RS-9081.
That's the number. Model.
RS-9081.
There's no brand. What kind of brand?
The brand is Ringson.
Hey, I
Ringson.
like this.
But there's the other company making it.
There's a lot of companies make electric staplers, but if you, this is the one that I bought, and it is a good one. So if you want this particular one, then you can go by the model number and look it up, and that way you can find it and use it.
Okay.
And thank you for watching.
Don't forget.
Hey,
Don't forget.
which one?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make comments in the comment section. Positive, negative, don't matter. Positive I'll keep, negative I'll block. And you know, and thanks for watching. Till next time.